This is Scott Thomas with KastKing. Wanted to share with you one of our new products called the Armis. This is a sun protection glove, SPF 50, open fingers, so it's not going to interfere with tying knots or changing hooks or lures. It's made out of poly-spandex, so it's very stretchy, very flexible, offers a snug fit so it's not going to get in your way. Also have a microfiber palm, so this offers some comfort and also helps reduce the wear in those areas, so the gloves are going to last a little longer. We've also went the extra mile, so we've got a little tab here that helps to pull the gloves on, and then another tab on the middle finger to help pull the gloves off. We're offering these in two different colors right now, both in Prime 1. So this is Prime 1 Silver Mist, and this is Prime 1 Shoreline. Go check it out. These gloves are great.